Good morning, everybody. Running a little late today. Had a doctor appointment I had to take her to. But here we are. We're going to try the Carb Cup. Only because I've never driven this car before. So, this thing is smooth, man. I feel nothing in this thing. So, minor bumps here and there. Right now I'm 5th in the speed charts, but we're all pretty much the same speed. Yeah. Nobody's really drafting or anything. Let's see how this goes. Again, sorry we're a little late here today. See, somebody's coming. I'd like to draft with somebody. Anyway, here, I mean, we got people coming out of turn 2. Might be able to link up with them, practice some drafting with this car. Oh, crap. Well, it would have been nice to know that guy was going. Yeah, screw it, let him go. He's gonna want to go on his own. Jamie, how you doing this morning, man? Oh, well, so much for that, eh? Oh, we're a mess this morning. Oh wow, there's a lot of people here.
All clear on pit exit. Alright, Corey. We've got 2 laps to set a decent time.
I'm not a fan of the Beatles and stuff either. That's just my preference. See what we can do here with qualifying. Jump trick. Yeah, I didn't like it. Well, this thing like sticks to the track. It's not as side to side as the Gen 6 was. Like, I feel like you should be able to hold this one better. I open my mouth now, man, but let's see what happens during the race. I've never drafted with this thing. I've never raced with this thing. I just bought it the other day to give myself some more content to do something here. So this is going to be a guessing game for me. Like, what gear should I be in? I'm going to watch those RPMs, see what they do. But again, without the draft, 4th gear really doesn't, it's not overdoing it. At 81, 8200 RPMs in 5th gear, it's not overstressing the engine. I'm willing to bet in the draft you're going to be running 5th gear, partial throttle. P4 for now. I saw 20 cars in the field. I'm not exactly sure how many there are. My list only goes up to 20, but it cycles. People have taken time. So far, anyway. This carb cupping, man, you know what happens. Right now I'm sitting P5, 4/100ths of a second slower than the guy in front. 14 people have taken time. We'll see what happens. Sitting P5 now, which puts me on the bottom row. That's good. I'd rather be on the bottom and hug that yellow line here. No, come on, off. Really surprised at how many people don't actually know how to do this.
Watch your speed. Box in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Box now.
This things stop a lot better too. Yeah, I mean, I got this paint scheme. It's similar to the one I normally run.
That's the end of the session. P5.
But whoever did it didn't put the headlights and the grill in, so it's kind of a missed detail. P5, we will do this. First time in this car, first time in Talladega for a long time. Oh yeah, the starter on this thing sounds great. We'll see how this goes. Again, if you're new here, welcome to New Mission Motorsports. This channel is dedicated to helping veterans in need. If you wanted to donate or subscribe, the majority of all funds will be going to the Combat Vets Motorcycle Association to help veterans in need. Either get a home, get away, get some food, whatever they need, we take care of it. We try to do what we can. Let's see what we can do here.
Thank you, sir.
Let's focus on 2.66 miles of asphalt and carnage. I see 20 people in here. 23 people. So, and of course I'm starting P5, so I'm sure at some point I'm going to be towards that 23rd position.
Stay behind Downs in the inside lane.
If I'm involved in something, I'm involved in something. I just don't want to be the cause of it. So, no stupid moves. Stay on the bottom as much as possible here. It's only 15 laps. Probably about 37 miles. The math in my head is near accurate. It's not. Only 14 people took time, so there could be a pack that holds back, waiting for the carnage, and I'm just like, hey, let's see how this car handles in an accident.
I don't usually run this Mustang. It's the first time we're running it.
It's my first time in the next gen car. This thing is smooth.
Don't forget your fifth gear. You'll need it for the drafting.
Yeah, I was wondering about that. I'd figured out eventually. Appreciate the heads up.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. Seven, what are you doing, man? You're supposed to be up in front of me. You get yourself a black.
Screen with black, sorry.
Get up on the outside here. Yeah.
Okay, Corey, let's get this right. No fuck-ups.
See if we can do this without screwing up.
green, green.
Oh boy.
Billy, come on.
Yep. That was an interesting start.
Lucky I let off.
What have we got here? A fucking comedian.
Oh my god, they're already... Yep, there we go.
Checking up bomb. Rushing.
Yeah, what you guys think would happen there?
Someone go.
I had to avoid that. I don't...
No, for the lead on the 8.
No, it wasn't a pass for a lead. I dropped down to avoid the top 3 people driving like that.
Yeah, somebody went way on the inside, and I got squeezed, and I caught the car on the inside.
Oh man, I feel like going for that hole.
Carl, did you ride the yellow line all the way around?
Now let's see if we can survive.
You instead?
Oh my god, come on. Hold your line. I'm trying to stay in the draft here, but they are all over the place. I'm trying to stay with you. You guys are going all over the place. You want to go high, I'll push you.
Yeah. I'll be watching you.
Hey, thanks for the follow. There we go. There we go. We had to get around that guy. He was all over the place.
Yeah, sometimes the steering on these are funny.
Yeah, you're blinking a bit now. This actually, like, my anxiety is a little high right now because in the draft this thing's loose. Like, it's just, it wants to go all over the place. It doesn't paint the track like it did without the cars in front. Oh god, 99's over there.
Feels funny on this.
Did you get hit in that first incident on lap 1?
No, I don't believe so.
It's amazing how we can't make a lap. I kind of want to pass him, but at the same time, I don't know, man. Like, he's all over the place.
I think my steering settings or something. The distance really loose.
I don't know, maybe I missed it, but I didn't see a steering ratio in this.
Feedback.
Yeah, there's much less feedback in this car than I have in any other cars.
On your right. That's that nice clear.
I want to stay with him and push. We got coming. Oh god, lap car, where's he gonna go? Where is he going?
Going to the outside, I guess. Oh no, there he goes. Coming up on the rear.
Thanks, 3.
Outside.
Going down there. See you going down to me there, number 7. I'm going to push it. Yeah, I was slowing down. I got you.
Not flashing now, am I?
No, man, you're good.
Around my bumper and push. Lose the pack as it was.
This doesn't suck up like I want it to. Oh god, see, dude?
Whoever's directly behind me, I'm going to move up so I can slide in front. I got front damage, dude. And I'll follow you. Get in front of me. Number 2.
Yeah, he disappeared there for a second again.
Okay, so you stay behind me. I'm going back down the yellow.
Gotta hold the bottom, like, I know it's a little difficult, but oh, I'm trying. We got a little gap behind us, so I'm thinking they're gonna try to get a run. They seem to be bunching up. It looked like 3 of them. So if they can get a run on the outside of us, oh, looking at my mirror now, it looks like there's only 1 with a pack of 3 behind him. So, yeah. We're on 7 at 15. Let's see if we can maintain this and make a pass in the last lap. Him and I duke it out. Don't do anything stupid. If he comes up off the bottom high enough on the last lap, I'm going to go on the inside of him and pull him back. But otherwise, I'm going to have to try to make a run on the outside, and this car is not sucking up like I want it to. Not quick enough. Okay, so we got a couple guys, group of 3 coming up behind us now. They're coming quick.
Going around, Oscar. I'm gonna push you. Hey, good thing, go high. Man, I'm like terrible at that. I tried. It's alright.
Wheels are better than 8. Oh God, he's blinking again. Here they come. Yeah, even the spotter's thinking he's gone. The more those cars get close, the more he starts blinking.
I got the spotter just a leader. I missed.
You keep blinking. I think it's because it said I was the leader that time, and I know I'm behind you, but when you disappear, it loses you.
Damn, you're a good pusher, dude. Jesus Christ.
I know, I just can't do that moment.
If he blinks like that and he hooks me, I'm going to be a little upset. I mean, I don't know where to go here. He keeps going side to side and blinking. That's why I wish I had a live spotter.
Me too.
Come on. They're on us. We've got at least 3 guys behind us. Maybe 4.
Is it doing it all the way around, or just at the start finish line, or what?
I think I've noticed the closer the guys come behind us, the more you start blinking, so I don't know what it is.
Right side. He's still there. Still there.
But we're getting attacked from the back now, which I figured they got a line of 4.
Still there.
I see him coming.
Keep it together. Hold your line. He's still there. Clear.
Nothing really I could do there. Maybe. Push this guy.
Coming up low side. He's still there. Keep digging.
Was that a good move or not?
Still there.
Come on.
Still there.
Oh, thank you very much.
Still there. Clear low. Low side. You got one. He's still there. Keep it steady. Still there.
push. Maybe the other guy had damage, because I was able to push this guy and suck up to him. I don't know.
They're on the inside.
They're on the inside. Drop down, dude. There you go. Find myself right back behind someone else, but... I think they're looking for buddies here. Maybe they're friends.
He's still there.
Up.
Clear up high.
4X.
I can't push you one-on-one when you're moving like that.
Where are we at? We got 3 to go. This should be 2 to go, I think. Yep, 2 to go.
2 to go. Keep it together. We'll be on the podium.
I'll watch them make a move. If somebody makes a move to the outside,
I don't know, man. We gotta get you this position.
I may have to jump up. Mirror driving at this point.
Trying to hold it second lane all the way around.
Shit. Should be a white flag. And I see smoke.
Okay, Corey. Keep it together. We'll be on the podium.
Guy behind us gonna do. Guy in front's blocking. I'm not gonna be able to do anything if nobody goes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah, the guy behind backed off. I'm not gonna have enough to push.
Just had something they didn't like this.
Good win, 57.
Podium. Good drive.
You're welcome for that push. Damn! The guy in third backed off too much. I was hoping he would help. Oh, jeez! Oh! Yeah, well, I was hoping like he would follow me if I went anywhere, and I didn't have the run I wanted. And then, I was hoping that a guy behind me would get a run and I would benefit off of that, but just didn't happen. P2 with a 4X, so it's kind of annoying. I don't know what happened there. To go back and, excuse me, look at it.
There we go. You got a top 10 out of that. Hell yeah. I never let off the gas the whole time I was
The
behind.
lane speed limit is 55 miles per hour.
Whew.
Box in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Box now.
I don't know why we got a 4. I mean, I know it didn't count for anything, but what? Are these cars that sensitive, or did something actually happen? Looking for damage. Alright, let's see here. I know it was turn 3. Alright, there it was. It's probably me. I probably washed up a little bit. Unintentional. Yeah. Whoops. Yeah, I was hoping to hang back a little bit, man. I don't know. The car wasn't sucking up as much as I hoped it would without having the extra help, and I don't know why the 101 car here was running third, backed out so much. At least he did it so late. But no, I want blimp. Okay, so there's a big gap behind him and the other three. If these guys in the back would have been bunched up behind him, that would have helped, because I was waiting for him to step out. And once he did, I was going to follow. There's just too much of a gap. Like, he couldn't get the run with the gap he had with no help. I didn't, yeah. Oh well. P2, I'll take it. I'll take it. This is the first time in a Gen 6 or next gen car. This doesn't give you anything, does it? I think the X's still count. Yeah. Oh, nothing counts. Pretty much everybody had incidents. Are you telling me I have the highest I rating in here? Oh, there we go. Here's one. 1468. Ah, he beat me too. But I beat you. Hey. Good Lord, man. Sometimes I wonder. What are you doing? You're safe, but what are you doing? Oh well. Car number 10 out of 14. Hey, Jay Bones, thanks for the follow, brother. Welcome to the channel. Oh, you missed the. Oh man, yeah, and this is gonna be the last one for me today.
16.5.
Not much, brother. How you doing today? Just got one more race in me before I have to take my truck to get new tires on it. See how we do here. I'm the number 10 car.
Watch your mirrors, there's a car approaching.
Ah, yeah. I actually miss those days working.
That's the fastest lap for Gibbs, 16.4. The track temperature's falling, it's now 72.
Every time I get on this track, it's something different. I don't even know why I practice.
The fastest lap for Gibbs, 16.4.
Whole new wear pattern every time.
P6, that puts you 0.5 off the pace. Fastest lap for Hoover, 16.3. Look out for the pit speed limit.
I like that. In quotes, working.
P7, that's your quickest
Yeah.
lap this session. The lap time was
Been there.
16.6.
Yeah, I'm supposed to be doing something, but I'm gonna go ahead and take a 30-minute shit on the clock. I'm not condoning it. I'm not gonna say I ever did it, but I did. You get trapped in the YouTube world. Yeah. Been there, brother. Oh, come on. There we go. Yeah. I keep saying I gotta go in there and fix my moderator settings. And I keep forgetting to do it. I focus on other things. Put that on my list for this weekend. I am prior Army. I did 11.5 years.
Exit, you can push now.
Got out in 2013, went to college, and started working in the, of course, civilian world, which is a lot of fun. But after 5 surgeries, after a service condition, the VA has deemed me housebound, so I'm kind of doing what I can now. That's what this channel is about. This channel is about helping not only just me having something to do and having fun, But I'm hoping to build a community here. Veterans are more than welcome, obviously, but I'm hoping to build a community to where we can talk about our own problems if we need to, and maybe put some funds together to help out veterans in need.
That's the end of the session.
I am a combat veteran, part of the Combat Veterans Motorcycle Association, which is a non-profit organization, and I intend on any donations or subscriptions or anything like that. Again, I'm new and it's not required. I'm just starting out. Is going to be going to them, and I hope to take everybody in the community with me and through video. And hey, I mean, they know about it. They know what I'm trying to do. They're fine with it. What kind of business you run, brother? I was military police officer. I was MP for, like I said, a little over 11 years.
The
Did
track
3
temp
tours.
is 71 Fahrenheit.
Yeah, I was a
temp
pig.
is 82 Fahrenheit.
Yeah, I've had a few run-ins with you infantry guys.
Follow car number
You guys are a
11.
lot of fun, not to say that. I did hang out with a lot of infantry. I was part of 3rd Brigade 187, 3rd of 187 at Fort Campbell. So I mean, I got to work hands-on with infantry, which was kind of funny because, oh, Hood, my God. You know, a lot of infantry talks a lot of shit, but I remember the infantry guarding our towers for us while we went outside the wire, so. Not saying much, not starting some battle here, but, yeah, how'd those towers go for you guys? I can't speak much for Hood. I was never at Hood. I did a lot of my time at Campbell. I did Fort Rucker, Alabama. I was at San Antonio for training. I was a fatal crash team investigator.
Get ready.
But here we go. Let's try this. We can talk more about that later. See if I can not get wiped out on the first lap this time.
3 by.
Whoop,
You're in the
whoop.
middle. Clear high. You're clear. Inside. Inside's clear. Arlo.
Oh ho, the infantry.
Inside's clear.
P11.
Well, y'all some crazy motherfuckers sometimes, I'll tell you that.
Still there. Clear inside.
I will say we had
Far
one
inside.
infantry guy.
Clear
Man, he
inside.
talked mad shit. He was like, man, fuck you pigs, da 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 da. And then when I
on the inside.
put him in handcuffs and arrested him for DUI,
Clear on the inside.
he started crying, and I think he cried all the way until his leadership got there.
One side.
Oh!
Clear long.
Apparently I needed to be doored there. But yeah, you guys talk a lot of mad shit
Clear inside.
until the hammer came down on you. I wish I could follow along with the conversation right now up there. I know you gave Jamie up there some crap. He was Army too, but he went Air Force or vice versa. So either way, he started or ended a sissy. Either way, I don't care what you did in the Army. You served. I don't care what branch you served in, unless it's. I mean, I'll give you more crap if you're
Our inside.
Coast Guard. Come on, dude.
Inside's clear.
B13.
But we're all brothers. We're all brothers. We're all sisters. We all serve. And I thank you for your service, Jamie. I don't know if I ever told you. Thank you for yours. We all did something that a lot of people can't do or won't do. And, whoops. Don't want to do that. Sorry, too.
You're welcome, buddy.
Of course, I'm saying sorry to the guy that, like, I had to, like, drag the brake the whole time, let him by, because he just pinned me in the wall, but... I don't know, the NCO in me has never wanted to give up. I miss training and leading soldiers and taking care of them, and I miss the Army. I got out unwillingly, thanks to, I mean, we don't want to get into politics in this room, keep politics out, but thanks to our illustrious prior president back in 2013, me and 67,000 other Army soldiers were sent out the door. I was told that I had done enough as far as my 3 deployments and yada yada yada, and they had to downsize the MP Corps, and there I went.
Fuck me up.
I did not want to leave.
13th place.
Coming up on your...
So, I miss my soldiers, I miss my training, I miss my time. I'd love to go back to Iraq or Afghanistan. I'd spent, oh God, what, 26 months in Iraq, another year in Afghanistan. I miss having soldiers under me, taking care of them. I mean, there was a lot of satisfaction in taking care of and leading soldiers, but
Inside clear. Inside line, you got one. They're low.
I hope maybe this way I can do something. I get to have fun doing this, which is, yeah, okay, I'm a 38-year-old gamer now, but I hope to do something with it that it benefits somebody that needs the money more than I do. And, I don't know, maybe I'm just rambling on here. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I can't look off the screen. I just realized I gotta blink. My eyes hurt. And there he goes. Oh, that's one way to get into the pits anyway. I hope he starts yelling at me because I didn't do anything. Whoops. See, as soon as I look up, I screw up. I'll catch back up with you guys in the conversation before I jet out of here. How's that? Wife is at school. She's also a service member. She just got medically retired. She's at 29 years old. She's had to have 2 hip surgeries because of the Army. And they just last month medically retired her, so she's now doing college thing with her GI benefits, and I'm sitting here doing some virtual laps while she suffers through college.
Why are you doing that?
Oh, angry. Oh,
Idiot.
where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Not you, Kale, the
Right
other
side.
guy, the blue guy.
Clear.
Freebies!
E9.
I'll take, oh shit.
Anders is getting closer.
I didn't know there was somebody below me there. I screwed up. I was looking at the relative, trying to figure out where he was.
What? Are you intentionally fucking wrecking people, or what?
Whoa, we got some anger, guys. Oh, it's the 12 again. We're back behind him. Oh god. Yeah, something went
What are you
around.
talking about?
Stay high.
Don't come back up the
Inside
track,
clear.
Dan.
The gap in front is now 3.2 seconds.
You got one on
You
the
know about
inside.
me?
I can't-
Inside clear.
Shit, I had nowhere to go.
Fucking stop talking to the American accent, you prick. Not understand yet.
You know, this guy quit
Bro, you can't
talking.
even drive dirt
They're on the
over,
inside.
bro. You're not meant for this shit. You're fucking... Mate, I'm trying to get used to new wheels. I've got to fucking slap you around in like you, Brett.
Coming up slow side.
Shut the fuck... Shut up, bro.
They're
You're
inside.
from fucking England or some goddamn European country. You don't know what the fuck you're talking about
One car
when it comes to
inside.
dirt fucking track racing, motherfucker.
Still there. Clear low.
Ooh, can y'all hear this?
I'm like fucking trying.
Can y'all hear this?
Fucking wanker prick, or
Clear
whatever
inside.
fucking lame fucking Brits say, prick. Yeah, that's really hard, that is.
The gap's in.
Coming up on the inside.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh, am I glad I'm recording
They're
this.
on the inside.
I'll just stand here and enjoy the show.
Shut the fuck up. Shit.
Got some keyboard warriors here.
Fucking battling it out for 10th place back there. Ain't
Oh.
fucking
You
matter.
got one inside. They're low.
Goddamn wanker.
Sorry again, too. I didn't expect you to check up. Really, I'm just, you know, enjoying the fight here. A lot of enjoyment to listen to.
I was gonna say, man, it's unranked anyway. Whatever happens, happens.
I'm about to go to NASCAR Institute training after this.
Ooh, yeah.
This counts for SR.
Then he'll get a ride for Penske next year.
2 to go.
That's the shit team race for anyway.
I didn't hear what he said. All these people like to start fights on these things, but they probably won't do shit if they actually met each other in real life, so. You bloody wanker, I'll slap you with my cock! No, you won't.
White flag, last lap.
Oh, don't fuck it up on the last lap, come on. For P10. Oh, he sent it. Oh, no, maybe not. Hey, we got what we could out of it.
There we go, it's over. Bring it back round.
Good racing with you two.
Good race, too much fuck. But okay.
Look out for the pit speed limit. Pit lane speed limit is 30 miles per hour.
You can tell the people that weren't in the military. Too much fuck. Man, shit. Oh, yeah! Timmy! Alright, see what we got here. Let me catch up to you guys. I'm sorry. Hood, yeah. Oh, God. Third is 69. Where's that out of? And 2ID. I know 2ID.
Well, he came back up the track in front of traffic. What else am I supposed to say? Oh my God, you're such a great racer. No.
we gotta watch this when we get back to it.
You spin out because you're putting too much gas on the throttle, which means you can't even drive right. And they come back up on track in front of traffic.
Man, I mean, yeah.
Who's the crap person?